I'm tired of seeing best of lists made by people who've never actually mopped a floor. I went out and grabbed the 5 most popular steam mops on the market to see which ones actually handled dried out coffee spills and muddy paw prints on tile and wood. I've spent the last week steaming my floors to find out which ones are worth your cash.
Product number 1. Shark Steam and Scrub S8001. When I first pulled this shark out of the box, I noticed it felt a bit heftier than a standard mop, but in a good, sturdy way. The Hawaiian gray finish looks sharp, but the real magic is underneath. Instead of just pushing a pad around, this thing has 2 rotating discs. When I turned it on, the deep mode literally did the scrubbing for me. I didn't have to put any muscle into it. The 150 scrubs per minute just ate through a sticky syrup spill in my kitchen. The LED headlights are actually a huge win. I found dust bunnies under my cabinets that I totally missed with my regular broom. It's got a 19-foot cord, which handled my living room without me needing to swap outlets. If you've got textured tile or uneven stone where dirt likes to hide, those rotating pads get into the grooves way better than a flat mop. It's the one to get if you want the machine to do the heavy lifting while you just guide it.
Product number 2. Shark Steam Spot S2001. The Steam Spot feels incredibly light in the hand. We're talking under 5 pounds. But don't let the weight fool you. My favorite feature by far is the Steam Blaster. When I hit a crusty spot of dried mud by the back door, I just flipped the head back and triggered a concentrated shot of steam. It loosened the mess in seconds. The water tank is removable, which I love because I can just take it to the sink instead of bringing a flask to the mop. It has 3 digital steam settings, and I found the light mode was perfect for my sealed hardwoods. It didn't leave them soaking wet, which is always my worry with steam. It comes with 2 different pads, a soft one for everyday stuff and a scrubby one for the tough days. If you have a mix of delicate wood and high-traffic tile, this is the most versatile middle ground option. It's nimble enough to zip around chair legs without breaking a sweat.
Product number 3. Shark Steam Mop S1000. This is the no-frills member of the family. Holding it feels like holding a lightweight broom. It's very slim and fits into the tightest corners of my bathroom. There are no buttons to mess with here. It's a pump motion mop. To get steam, you just move the handle. At first, I wasn't sure if I'd like that, but it actually gives you a lot of control over how much moisture hits the floor. It heated up in about 30 seconds, which is great when you just want to do a quick pass before guests arrive. The water tank pops right off for easy filling, and the 18-foot cord gave me plenty of reach. It doesn't have the bells and whistles like headlights or rotating heads, but it gets the job done on a budget. If you live in a smaller apartment or just want something simple that stores away in a tiny closet, this is the most practical pick. It's reliable, basic, and gets that chemical-free clean without any drama.
Product number 4. Shark Steam Pocket Mop S3501. The Pocket Mop has a design I haven't seen elsewhere. The mop head is rectangular, and the pads are double-sided. I tried this out in my large entryway, and when one side of the pad got gray and dirty, I just flipped the head over and kept going with a fresh side. It basically doubles your cleaning time before you have to go grab a new pad or head to the laundry room. It's another lightweight model, coming in under 5 pounds, so carrying it upstairs wasn't an issue at all. Like the S1000, it uses that manual pump action to create steam. I noticed it felt very balanced while I was using it, and the swivel steering is quite responsive. It's a solid choice for anyone with a lot of floor space who hates stopping midway to change a dirty mop pad. It's efficient, purple, and handles everything from marble to laminate. If you want to finish the job faster, the flip side feature is a genuine time saver.
Product number 5. Bissell Power Fresh 1940A. The Bissell feels like the heavy-duty workhorse of the group. The build is solid, and it has a 23-foot cord, which is the longest of all the mops I tested. What really stood out during my testing was the easy scrubber brush. When I hit some grout lines that were looking a bit dingy, I just flipped the foot lever down and used the integrated bristles to give them a quick scrub. Another thing I appreciated was the scent disc slot. I slipped in one of the spring breeze discs, and instead of that hot water smell you usually get with steam, the whole room actually smelled fresh. It has 3 steam levels, low, medium, and high, controlled by a button on the front. Because of that built-in brush and the high steam output, I'd say this is the best choice specifically for tile and grout. Plus, a portion of the purchase goes to pet foundations, which is a nice bonus if you're a dog or cat person like me.